What if I told you there are legitimate websites where people earn money online every day? No, I'm not talking about scam or get rich quick scheme. In this video, I will show you some real platform that can pay you for completing tasks, sharing your skills, or working online. I'll also tell you which one worth your time, which one you should avoid. Make sure you watch to the end. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Shavera. In this channel, I teach practical way of making money online, growing your YouTube channel, avoid common mistakes that waste your time. In today's video, I'll be explaining some websites that people around the world are using to make money online. I'll be explaining how those sites work and who those sites are best for, and some realistic experts that you need to expect before signing up. Let's get started. Okay, the first one is Postlab. So you go to any browser at all, any browser you use, Brave, Docker, anyone you are good to use. So you go there, you type Postlab place. This is the site. So you can see Postlab is the first one there. So this Postlab have different branches, have different work. They have AI Insider, and they have the one they call Digital Postlab. So they have another one they call Pathway. So what you do, you click on this place, you see this interface. So this is the interface. You will see the moment you come to this place. So this is where you sign up. Click on this 3 dots line here. You come to this side, you see platform, survey, interview, evaluation, you see US and the rest of them. So you go down the last one, you see where they say call panelists. That's where you click. Then you now click on this sign up. So when you click on that panelist, you click on sign up. You click on sign up, it brings you to this interface. So this is where you see terms and conditions. Then you put your email here. So this place, you're going to type the email you want to use to log into this account. So let me put my email here. So 81257125 this. Okay. You put your email down here, complete your email very well. If you do not put your email very well, it will not open. So what you do is that once you put your email the way it should be, now here is where you put your first name, your last name, and of course it's showing United States. Okay, let's see whether other countries can access this. It's like Afghanistan, I don't know, it is like Afghanistan, America, Angola, Algeria, all those countries can access it. I'm seeing Australia here. So I'm not sure of it, but what you do is that just log in and try to access it. If the thing rejects you, that means automatically you cannot be accessed. So I try to log in from my countries. It's like they said they are not having a program for my country this time. So I was not able to access it. So you can also try and access it any country in the world you are watching me. You can try and access it. If you get through, that means it's working on your country. So this is it. So this is where you place your first name, your last name, and your password. Confirm your password, then you submit. So, and the moment you submit, it takes you to another interface where you verify your personalities. They ask you to give them your personal infos. So that personal infos is your date of birth, your name. Are you a black American or Asian or a white American? Anyone you are, you just try and be honest on the form and fill your form. So after filling the form, then you now do what they call find me. It's exactly that place you know whether your country is accepted or not. So when you get to this place, they say find me. So If your country is accepted, the moment it finds you in your country, automatically it will show you. So if you are accepted, that's where you will know if you are really accepted. So if the team signed you in, what you do is that you now see some jobs that you can actually fill your forms and start taking those surveys. So when you take the surveys and if you are accepted, then that's when they start paying you money. I think the site is a very quite easy site to access. As long as the country you are in accepts it, is very quite easy to access. And a lot of people are making money from it. I'm not telling you that you're going to be very rich immediately, but as long as you keep to consistent and improve your skills, you will make money from this site. You will make money from this site. That is it. This is Toluna Influencer. It's an app. You can also download it on your phone and use it to make daily monies. And it has Australia, United Kingdom, or USA, or any other, but you can check it out. If it's working in your country, you can as well take advantage of this to make money. So it's very, very okay. And also their payment is like they pay through Amazon, PayPal, or this. You can as well try this out and see how you can use it to make money. The next one is one I call Cool Survey. So this one also is like they have in other countries as well, and also somebody from Australia. So I have somebody from Australia that's doing this particular one. From this site, you can actually be making daily money from this site. Then what you do is that you download it. It's an app. You can download it on your phone and access it. So once you download the app, you create your account. Almost the same method you go for this postler. Put your name, put your password and the email you want to use. So once you click on email, this is what the app look like. This is how it comes out. Once you click on it, it opens to you directly. You can now start making money from this site. Now the truth is that this is not a get rich quick site. It's not get rich quick site. If you are looking for a get rich quick site, this is not. What they want here is for you the ability to be able to do your task and do it properly and complete your task. And if you are able to do that, surely you will make money. And the ways through which you can withdraw money from PostLab, you can use PayPal to withdraw money. You can use Ensave. You can use Ensave. You can use Clev. You can use your Grade to withdraw money, access your money through this. Those are some of the websites you can use to start earning money online. Remember, no legitimate website will make you rich overnight. The key is to pick one or two of these websites, stay consistent, and improve your skills. Before you sign up to any website, go to Google or any other website and confirm how legitimate these websites are. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also comment the site that you want to sign up and start earning. See you in my next video. Bye bye.